What's up, YouTube fam? Alright guys, so for today we are gonna take a trip to another state. And the state that we're headed to today is Virginia. We are going camping. I don't want to tell you guys the exact location yet until we actually get there. So once we get there, we'll film the area, the location, and then we'll let you know exactly where we're at. But we are going to another state. We're excited. It's my first time camping as well, so I'm very excited. I always wanted to go camping ever since I was young, but I never had the opportunity to actually go. So this is my first time camping. I'm going with my girlfriend and her family, so I'm definitely looking forward to it. Like I said, we're going down south, a whole other state. Should be nice and even warmer over there. A lot of fun activities and different things that we're looking forward to, so I'm definitely excited. Want to introduce somebody back here as well.
This is my brother.
That's my in-law, AJ.
He is the one behind all the editing, and you know, we're all growing together, whether it's editing, recording and stuff. So that's the face. Make sure you follow him on his Instagram, and whatever media you have. Yeah, but that's the face behind the editing, so props to him.
Yes, sir.
But before we get this video started, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and you also follow our Instagram.
But alright guys, so we'll talk to you later. We're about to head on the road. We just finished putting gas, and yeah, we're about to hit the road. So we'll see you guys later, and we'll tap in once we get there.
So we got here, guys. All the family is right over here and on that side, and this is our little spot. But my dad left the key to the camper, so we're out here sweating. Look at this man. He looks like a donut. Yeah. So So yeah, we are stuck. We've been here for at least 30 minutes already trying to open it, and yeah, so we'll see what happens and we will update you guys. Okay guys, so we finally set up the camper. We actually opened it with like a screwdriver and stuff, but we have everything situated. We have the food and stuff over here. This is where we're gonna sleep. We have like 2 mattresses and table and all that. It's pretty cool with AC. Gio right now is playing basketball with all of the boys. And I don't know, we might be going to the beach, not sure, because it's like super hot. Like, it's just way too much right now. We're all sweaty and disgusting, and we have to take a bath. Look at my dad. But yeah, we'll see you guys soon. What's up? We're at a little cafe trying to eat. I ordered some.
Here's my main Tone right here, look.
Oh yeah, that's Tony. Tony Tone. Got the whole fam out here. Gio's ordering over there.
We don't know what to get.
We're hungry. You worked hard, right, Dad?
Yes, I did.
Mom, what did you do?
Work hard. I lost like 10 pounds.
It's day 2, and we got Dad cooking some breakfast. What you making?
Fries. Sausages.
Mom cut up the onions. It's like almost 8 o'clock. Got some nice trees. Everybody's camping out.
Yo, what's up guys? Good afternoon. It is now 12:13 in the afternoon, and we're about to have our beach day. Got baby in the background driving, whipping the golf cart. See our background. We're like near a lake right now, and we're on our way to the beach. We're gonna spend the day with the family. All the families over there, cousins.
So we'll record that for you guys.
Yeah, we're also gonna try out paddleboarding. Later on today, we're going like fishing and crabbing and stuff.
Yeah, and getting clams and stuff too, because we're trying to do like a seafood broil type of thing. So all the family's gonna go out, and you guys will see later. And we'll show you the view, just so you guys can check out and like come here if you guys want and stuff. But yeah. Yeah,
definitely. But we're pulling up to the beach. We're almost there. Once we're there, we'll show you a little view, and then we'll take a little break and update you guys later.
All right, we're out here kayaking. This is our view at Cherrystone campground. We're going on this side. Our family's on this side over here. But you can see they have 2 piers, one for fishing, one just to hang out, but you can also fish over there. And yeah, look how pretty. There's boats on that side. There's a little island. And we are out here. Guys, look at how far we are. We're literally in the middle of the ocean. Well, not in the middle, but we're pretty far from our family. They're like all the way over there. Yeah. But it's so pretty. We're trying to see if we see like any animals and stuff. But, oh, the waves! Oh my gosh! Oh, Giovanni. I'm sorry. Oh, this is so beautiful. Like this is our first time, so we're doing it together and we have it on video, so that's but let me get back to helping him. See you guys. What are we making, Dad? What are we making?
Shrimp fried rice. Puerto Rican shrimp fried rice. Oh man, is that Puerto Rican shrimp fried rice? Yeah.
I want to take a shower and then eat. Oh, we're gonna eat first and then take a shower.
Girl, everything's done.
You going crabbing? Yeah.
Yes. It's going muted.
Right? I just thought about that.
No, we do.
About to eat some dinner. This is what happens when Hispanic people go camping.
We're gonna look like clown cars.
Mira, vente.
They're gonna start counting how many people come out of here.
Yo, we're about to get pulled over, yo. Nah, we cool with the bull. He's not gonna say nothing. No, he's not gonna say nothing.
Now we're going fishing and crabbing. Woohoo!
Let's go.
There's no room there anyways.
What happened?
I start pulling up.
Chicken neck.
Ew, got some chicken neck for the crabbies. Look how pretty the sky is.
I got a big one.
That's another pier right there. People are swimming.
You got baby one? Get here.
We got chicken neck right here.
I got a big one.
We got chicken
I got a baby one.
We got the first crab of the night.
Theo.
You don't let go.
Oh, that's a little one.
It's got Mommy got her first crab.
Oh, it's wet. It's wetting.
Good morning, everyone. It's day 3. Yeah, it's day 3 out here, and me and my sister are gonna make some breakfast for the family. We got some hash browns, we have pancakes, eggs, and then we have some sausages. So yeah, we're gonna cook. The boys are still sleeping. I tried to wake them up, but they don't want to wake up. But yeah, so see you guys later. I got bacon, pancakes,
Yo, what's up, guys? It is now Sunday. It is like 12:30 in the afternoon. We're out here right now with the whole family. We decided to actually leave the campground today. We wanted to step out for a little bit, and we visited a town that's nearby. It looks pretty nice. Here, boy, AJ, you, and literally the whole gang back there, like everybody here. So we're just gonna walk through this little town, see what we find. We got a couple things we gotta buy. I kind of want to buy some water shoes too, to go crabbing later, so I could just be more comfortable. But we're gonna see what we find. If we stop anywhere to eat or anything like that, we'll definitely keep you guys posted and let y'all know what happens for the rest of the day. See y'all later. Ooh, let me see. Who made it? Look.
With
These hands right here.
these hands.
You're camper.
Look what she got me doing, man.
You're crying.
This what she got me doing. Oh, piggyback ride.
Gio's
I'm
back
sorry.
is
Right here.
Gio's back is crying.
Nah, Gio back good.
Yeah.
Where we headed to now, baby? What's this?
I don't know. We're taking an adventure.
Take adventure. We got an abandoned train station right here. I think it was more down, to be honest, but they left one train there, and they got this real old school car. It's nice. That's beautiful. That's from the candy shop too. Look, that's from the candy shop.
Alright guys, we are all packed up and ready to go home. It's been fun, but
The best one, the best monster is the future. The one with the skull.
Yeah, I like the rehab one.
getting some snacks to go on the ride. Got a little coffee and some croissants.
Ew, you like Nas? I need energy drink. Yeah, 4-hour ride back home.
Somebody told you to go to bed so late.
So we're going to this royal farm. Gotta make a pit stop to use the bathroom. Where are we?
Delaware. We are in Delaware. In Tuckahoe, Wisconsin.
Hey, the legs. Okay. Oh. Alright guys, we're gonna go in. This is how we look. We look so rough because we just packed and we're out. But we only have like an hour and some change left. So we're almost there.
Guys, we are finally home. I'm exhausted. I'm looking crazy. I'm hit. I don't even think I combed my hair this whole weekend. I was on, some wild hair flow. Rocking the bed here, but we're home finally. Back on Toursdale. You know what I mean? And now we gotta unpack and unload everything.
Yeah, it's almost 5 o'clock. We haven't eaten dinner yet. It's horrible over here. It's like flooding and stuff. So we came back to nasty weather. Everybody is tired and dusty and crusty. Yeah, but we work tomorrow, so it's gonna be a long one day.
Yeah, so now we're getting ready to unload and unpack and then just enjoy the rest of the day. Well, a few hours that we have until tomorrow. So we'll see you guys. Thanks for coming on this journey with us. If you guys have any questions or anything about the place that we visited, feel free to hit us up. You know, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And anything, like I said, any questions or anything that you guys have, make sure you comment below and include it. Okay? So we'll check you guys out and we'll see you later. Deuces.